When we enter this world, there is no inherent purpose waiting for us. It's up to us to spend our time and energy experiencing and learning about the world to figure out what truly gives life meaning. We shouldn't rely on others to tell us why we're here. It's our own responsibility to find our purpose. Although we share common genetic and physical traits as humans, each of us is unique. No one else will have the same experiences or journey as you. Therefore, discovering your personal point of life is entirely up to you. It's normal for some people to find it earlier, while others may not discover it until later in life, or perhaps not at all. If you are feeling like there is no point to your life, it's a sign that you haven't started your search or that you are looking in the wrong direction. It's important to know that you are not born with the innate ability to figure out the meaning of life. We must train ourselves to cultivate life energy, achieve inner balance, and develop a heightened sensitivity to life. Although feeling like there is no point in life is a common experience, it doesn't have to define your reality. By asking questions and practicing Qigong, you can find a renewed sense of purpose and meaning in your life.